So now I am going to tell you that how you can teach the vowels to your kids. We have 5 fingers and we have 5 vowels. Okay, I am going to write the vowels on each of these fingers. So this is A, E, I, O, U. Now I am going to recite a song which will be A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are long vowels we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read and write. Now I am going to take the sound of the vowels. So the sound is A, E, R, A, E, R, A, E, R, are short vowels we use. So whenever we are using the sounds of the letters, these are short vowel sounds. Okay, A, E, R, A, E, R, A, E, R, are short vowels we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read and write.